friends, I'm Swarna and welcome to my channel. Today I have a DIY. It costs only $2 and takes only 2 minutes to make. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I upload a video every Thursday. All my uploads are short, brief and to the point, and I'm sure it will be worth your time. Now without any further ado, let's get started.
We can get all of the items I used in this project from Dollar Tree. You need this tea light holder. I already had this in my home. We only need the hanger and the top for this one. We will save the rest for another DIY. All of these easily come out. Glue them together using a glue gun. I know it looks messy, but don't worry, it will be covered. Next, take some Dollar Tree florals. You only need the leaves and not the flowers. I had some leftovers from my earlier wreath project. 2 leaves will be attached. Use a scissor to split them up. Now use a glue gun and glue the leaves all over the hanger we just made. You need to make 2-3 layers. Now take a string light. We get this from Dollar Tree and put it inside this Dollar Tree pineapple. It has a hole at the bottom and so you can easily slide it in. Now glue the hanger to the top of the pineapple. That's it folks, we are done. Wasn't that super quick, super easy and super inexpensive? I only spent $2 for this. $1 for the pineapple and $1 for the string light. Even if you don't make the hanger on the top, you can just put the string light inside the pineapple and that will look awesome too. I have hanged it on my backyard tree and it looks awesome in the night. I wish I had a camera that justifies the beautiful look at night. Please give this a try. I'm sure you will love it.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your comments in the comment section below. And if you have not already subscribed, please consider subscribing because I would love to catch you in my next video. Until then, it's bye from Swarna.